Wait a second, what is that? That's new. Oh no! Can you see that? Oh, that's a rock chip. That's not even a rock chip anymore, that is a full-on scratch. How did that happen? From a rock? Oh no. I mean, I'm fine with small little rock chips, but this is a... oh no. Oh, okay. Oh well. I guess let's go for a ride. Okay guys, let's go for a ride. But still, that rock chip, how did that happen? And again, it's not even a rock chip anymore. That's a full-on scratch from a rock. Oh god, that bugs me out, but I guess the car is here for being used, so... oh well, stuff is gonna happen. It is a beautiful Sunday today, and I thought we might as well get a lap in of our local mountain here. I want to have a fun little ride and explore this road a bit more. I've only driven this once with a biker friend. I explored it a little bit and I thought it was a really fun road, so today we're gonna drive it again, and afterwards a section with a lot of hairpins. Some trail braking, okay. Oh yes. Oh, heel toe, trail, second here. I already like this road. Heel toe, trail braking a little bit, already on the gas already. Woo! Yes, this road is as good as I remember it. Oh, a really sharp turn here. Also, heel toe, trail braking again, rolling and on the gas. Yee-hoo! And again, we completely obey the speed limit here. I a little bit missed the heel toe, a little bit of understeer, a little bit of oversteer. Shouldn't have upshifted. That was an unnecessary upshift. Whoa, okay, that road is really as fun as I remember it. Super nice, although it's really short. So now we have a little bit of a transit section onto the next hairpin style road, which I'm really excited for. I love hairpins. I really love hairpins. Although keep in mind, my rear tires are really not that great anymore. I need to replace them. This is probably the last ride today I'm gonna have with those tires. I'm still in the legal zone, but yeah, I can just feel it. They're not gripping the same anymore. Also today I'm testing a new format. Usually I film my videos in 4K 30 frames per second, and today I'm testing out 60 frames a second. Let me know in the comments below how you like this. Is it a difference? Is it better? Is it worse? I personally thought 30 frames a second is enough, but I want to test it myself. I'm gonna insert a text right now where I share my opinion, if it's better or not. But keep in mind, yeah, the file size is almost double with 60 frames a second, which makes sense though, no? It's double the frame rate. Double the pictures a second. So obviously that means double the file size. Almost. This is a pretty boring section, so I'm gonna snap you to a point where it's fun again. Here, the road is gonna have fun again. Cyclists, yes, we can overtake. Wow, but the view is also here. And trust me guys, these hairpins are so good. Braking, a little bit of trail braking so the front tires have grip, and now on the throttle, letting the car rotate, not shifting up into third gear because there's already the next hairpin coming. And and back to a 60. Always keep in mind, this video is edited for cinematic purposes. So if you hear like tires squeaking or if it looks like the car is sliding, this is all edited. I obey all the rules here. Trail braking and no one's coming, nice. Wow, that was a nice turn. Who is gonna go first? The upper car or us? I think the upper car. Yeah, the upper car. Okay. So we might as well chill. You can see my construction. I broke my tripod for the camera. Usually I have it on the outside mirror, but now I had to clamp it somewhere, and the window is honestly the only place I could make it fit. Otherwise I'm always scared it's gonna fall off, which it probably would. Let's give him some space, because there are 2 to 3 corners that are pretty fun. Exactly that one. We have a mirror so we can see no one is oncoming. Yeah, and that's how fast you catch up with normal driving people. We can go out here because the fun road ends here anyway, and we can turn around actually. Yeah, it's very rare that I drive on a Sunday actually, because there's just too much traffic on weekends. Would be a nice BMW, but we're gonna let him drive because it's probably still gonna be slower. I've literally not met a car that matches my pace in the corners. This is no joke. Okay, you know what? Let's go, because I think it's not gonna get better. Blind, very blind. We have a mirror though, we have a mirror, so that's why we can go a bit faster here. And back to a 60. Oh yeah, it's an M2. I almost don't want to go, because I'd really like to rip those hairpins. Let me know in the comments also, guys, how do you handle traffic? Do you wait until it's gone, or do you try to overtake it, or what is your take on traffic? How do you do it? I usually go to the side and wait until there's no more traffic. That's what I'm gonna do right now, actually. Also, how do you like this camera angle? Do you think this one is better from the rearview mirror, or do you think this one is better? Okay, I think more people are coming, so let's go. And I still wonder, how does a Toyota 4-cylinder sound this good? Heel toe, trail brake, trail, off the brakes, on the throttle a bit, and fully on the throttle. Let the throttle rotate the car a little bit. Here we have a 60, let's see if that corner is fun at 60. No braking needed for this corner at 60 actually. And I'm not even gonna accelerate. Oh no, pedestrians on the road. That means we can't blast this corner as usual. But you gotta be responsible, guys. It's a public road, it's not a racetrack, so... Oh no. Yeah, we had to slow down for that car. Couldn't take the hairpin as I'd liked, but again, here comes the boring stretch of the road, so another time I'm gonna snap you to where it's fun again. Okay, we are back. Speed limit opens up. Little pull before the nice corners, and technically driving it for the 3rd time right now. Again, it's a short stretch, but it's so worth it. Not even braking that much, letting the engine brake. Now starting to trail brake for the front tires to get some grip. Watching out because we have some traffic. Not even shifting. Trail braking for the front tires. I rhythm grip. That was a really nice turn. Not upshifting. I've learned that from the last time. Trailing. Oh no, traffic. And that is such a nice corner. Okay, let's chill here for a second. Okay, I think that's enough space. This road is not really nice for a whole day driving. This is just for a short, like 20-minute blast, getting back home, having some fun. For that, it's a really nice road. Again, let me know in the comments about those camera settings. Do you prefer 30 frames a second or, like in this video, 60 frames a second? I don't know if it even makes a big difference, to be honest. And if you always thought, man, I wish that Barry guy would shut up and I just want to listen to that engine sound, I've got the right video for you right here. No talking, pure engine sound. I've cut myself off fully. You can see that guy just speeds up when someone is overtaking. I hate those people. Whoa, I could... Not going further into that. Hope you enjoyed today's episode, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.